Hi, in today's video, I'll be showing you a simple platform where you can make money with your spare time doing those simple things that you like. Do you like to play games? Do you like to watch videos? Do you like to take surveys? Or you have a younger one, a child that loves doing all those things, playing games and watching videos? They can actually do this with your phone and make extra income for yourself. In today's video, I'll be showing you a platform where you can do all these things with your spare time and make money for yourself. Let's get into this video as I show you how you can get started. Make sure you watch this video to an end so that you know all the things that are involved in making money with this platform. Hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed and turn on your bell notification so that you always get notified anytime I post a video like this. Let's get into the video. Alright, here it says simple ways to make money online. Turn your spare time into earnings today. Play games, take surveys, and explore other ways to make money online. So let's go down and see how does it work. Sign up, create an account with either Google, Facebook, Apple, or a crypto wallet. Complete tasks, browse a wide range of tasks from games to surveys, and pick the easiest way to earn online. Get paid, follow the tax guidelines, complete tasks, get rewarded, easy transfer your earning to your crypto wallet. Okay, so let's also get that. Once you click on start earning, you register and get started on this platform. Okay, this platform is trusted by over 8 million users. Let's read what this person have to say about this platform, and you can see they are giving this platform 5-star rating. Okay, to show you that it is a good platform. Let's see, has everything you expect from a side income app. JumpTask is a cool experience to get out of doing just clicks. Haven't noticed any glitches or problem. All in all, I really advise anyone to try it out. Thanking the creators for developing an app program that allows me to make money without having to invest anything. Okay, as you can see, you don't have to invest anything on this platform to earn. Okay, so if you can see the total payout from there, the total registered users and completed tasks to show you that it is a legit platform for you to make money. Ways to make money with jump tasks. Okay, take surveys, play games, social media tags, and the rest of them. Share your internet, test product, train AI, watch ads and watch videos, and so many of them. Okay, why do you choose JumpTask? Okay, just go ahead and read every other thing here. So I'm going to log in to this platform to show you how the inside looks like. Okay, so if you click on get started, I'm going to be leaving the link on the description of this phone and on the comment section. Okay, so if you click on get started, it's going to come here, say earn money in web3, play games, take surveys and more. First reward in 8 seconds. Over 3,500 offers are available. Okay, and you can see different other platforms that are here. These are things that you can do on this platform. You can see you can watch YouTube videos, you can share your internet in Honeycane, you can perform surveys and many things you can do on this platform to earn money. Let me show you other ones. Okay, leaderboard, you can see people that are cashing out from this platform. Okay, you can see this person 26 dollars, 19. These are the ones that cashed out today. Okay, you can see so many cash out. If I click on view all, you can see so many other cash out on this platform. Okay, so this is what you do here. Okay, so I'm going to log in inside this platform to show you more things that you do here to get money. So let's log in with my phone. Okay, I'm going to be switching to my phone to show you more things about this platform. You can go ahead and use the link on the description or in the comment and register on the app and download it. Okay, so once you register and download the app, if you are using the app version in your phone, you are going to be claiming daily reward anytime you log in. Okay, so let's claim my own daily reward for today. Okay, so once I click on the daily reward, okay, let's allow it. Okay, so congratulations, you have received your daily reward. So let's congratulations, you have received your daily reward. So let's go ahead and check out the inside of the app. So here in the inside of the app, you are going to be seeing so many offers available for you here to do. Okay, so look at this offer: play to earn, play to earn. Let's view all. Okay, if you are someone that loves playing games, okay, if you are someone that loves playing games, or you have younger ones that love playing games with your phone, okay, this is an opportunity for you to make money while they are playing games. Okay, look at this game. If you are going to play this game, after playing this game, you are going to be earning like $29 from it. Okay, if you are going to go with this one, you're going to be earning $12 after this one. Just go ahead and find a game that you love playing, a game that looks interesting, that you know that maybe your child or a younger one would love to play it. Okay, go ahead and play the game and start making money from the games. Okay, and these are the surveys you can also perform to make money from the surveys. Also, once you click on any survey, it's going to bring out and you start making money from the surveys. And these are quick tasks like go to X to perform some tasks either in X, in YouTube, in Twitter, in Facebook, or any place they want you to go. Just click on the offer, go ahead and perform the tasks and then earn money. Okay, this is watch and earn. Okay, this one you watch YouTube videos to earn money while watching the YouTube videos. Can you see? If I click on view all, you are going to see all the YouTube videos available for you here to watch and make money. Okay, so this platform is really good for you to make money online. So if you have not started using it, these are social media tags to go and follow different social media handles, and you make money while doing that, and you earn in dollars here, and you can withdraw to your crypto wallet at low as $0.5. You can withdraw this. They are not waiting for you to get up to $100 or $10 before you withdraw. With at low as $0.5, you can withdraw to any of your crypto wallets. Okay, so this is basically what you do on this platform to make money on a daily basis. Okay, so go ahead, click the link on the description, download this app and start making money for yourself today. If you go ahead, you can see so many other ways you can make money from here, from your Web3. If I click on Web3 Mission, you are going to see so many other things that you can do from this Web3 Mission to also make money. Okay, earn points by completing tasks and convert them into token. If I click on go to mission, it's going to show me things I'm going to do to earn more from this platform apart from the games and every other things. Okay, if I click on leaderboard, it's still going to show me every other person what they're earning from this platform. Okay, you can see this person $24, this person 19, 18, 14, and so many of them, okay, earning from this platform. This is actually I think is this today's earning. Okay, this is actually today's earning from this platform. Okay, so you can go ahead and start making use of this platform right now to make money for yourself. Do not waste time. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video to an end. If you find value on this video, make sure you like, you comment, turn on your bell notification to always get notified anytime I post a video. Share to your friends also so that they can also make money with you. Thank you.